Dear Divine Soul, manifesting love through the law of attraction is a transformative journey that requires a combination of focused intention, positive energy, and aligned action. By clarifying your desires, cultivating self-love, and practicing the principles of manifestation, you can influence the heart of another and create a deep and meaningful connection. Remember, the key lies in embracing the process with authenticity, patience, and unwavering belief in the power of love. Take a few seconds to close your eyes and imagine that you're already with the person you're manifesting. Think about how it would make you feel spending time with them, holding hands, and bonding emotionally. Try to picture what you want a few times during the day to lock it in with the universe. Step 1. Clarify your desires. The first step in manifesting love is to gain clarity on what you truly desire in a relationship. Create a detailed vision of the qualities and characteristics you seek in a partner. Visualize the kind of love and connection you wish to experience. This process not only sharpens your focus but also sends a clear message to the universe about your intentions. Step 2. Cultivate a positive mindset. Positive energy is a magnet for positive experiences. To make someone fall in love with you through manifestation, it's crucial to maintain a positive mindset. Replace self-doubt and negativity with affirmations that reinforce your worthiness of love. Embrace gratitude for the love that already exists in your life, fostering an atmosphere conducive to attracting more love. Step 3. Harness the power of visualization. Visualization is a potent tool in the manifestation process. Create a mental image of yourself and the desired partner, sharing moments of joy, love, and connection. Feel the emotions associated with these visions as if they are happening in the present moment. The subconscious mind cannot distinguish between reality and vividly imagined experiences, making visualization a powerful technique to attract love. Step 4. Set clear intentions. Once you have clarified your desires and visualized your ideal relationship, set clear intentions. Write down specific statements that declare your readiness for love and your expectations for the relationship. Affirmations such as, "I am attracting a loving and committed relationship," send a powerful message to the universe. And align your thoughts with your desired reality. Step 5. Radiate self-love. Before attempting to make someone fall in love with you, it's essential to cultivate self-love. Focus on enhancing your self-esteem, practicing self-care, and nurturing your passions. By radiating self-love, you become a magnet for love from others. When you are secure in your worth, others are naturally drawn to your positive energy and confidence. Step 6. Act as if Adopting the act as if mindset involves behaving as if your desires have already manifested. Project confidence, openness, and love in your interactions with others. This approach not only aligns your actions with your intentions but also creates a magnetic energy that draws people towards you. Acting as if fosters a sense of inevitability, making your desired relationship more likely to manifest. Step 7. Release resistance. One of the key principles of the law of attraction is to release resistance to what you desire. Holding on to doubts, fears, or impatience can create energetic blockages that hinder the manifestation process. Practice mindfulness and let go of negative thoughts and emotions that may be standing in the way of attracting love. Trust the timing of the universe and remain open to the possibilities unfolding. Step 8. Be authentic and genuine. Authenticity is a magnetic quality that resonates with others. When attempting to make someone fall in love with you through manifestation, it's crucial to be genuine. Be true to yourself, express your feelings openly, and cultivate a connection based on authenticity. People are naturally drawn to those who are comfortable in their own skin and transparent about their intentions. Step 9. Take inspired action. While manifestation involves the power of the mind, it is essential to complement it with inspired action. Put yourself in situations where you can meet like-minded individuals and potential partners. Actively participate in activities that align with your interests and values, increasing the likelihood of encountering someone who shares your vision of love. Step 10. Practice patience and gratitude. The manifestation process is a journey, and patience is a virtue. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. Maintain a sense of gratitude for the love in your life, even if it hasn't yet taken the specific form you envision. Gratitude amplifies positive energy and accelerates the manifestation process. In the pursuit of making someone